really good for the people who like gin, and also some kind of four kind of drinks, like a little bit sweet with the strawberry taste in it. So first thing you want to do is chill the glass first. Put a couple of ice in a glass, a tall glass, and then we begin with the recipe. So the main ingredients first, it's a Tanqueray gin. This is the house gin for us. So put like a shot and a half, like 45 ml for this one. Here you go. Do this, and this is a Fraise liquor, so it's called a strawberry liquor here. So put like a 20 ml of this for here. A sort of Aquafaba, maybe some couple of dashes for that. Around 10 ml, so 2 dashes. And we use a lemon curd, so you can also get this in a wood or somewhere. So you just put a full spoon of the lemon curd here. And then we got a little bit of sugar to balance the taste for the lemon curd, because a little bit citrus in taste. So you go for this. And we have a balsamic vinegar reduction here. So what we do is like simmer this for 20 minutes with the balsamic vinegar, like 200 ml. Put a little bit of water in it and a maple syrup, and you can also use a little bit of honey and agave for this one too. So put like 5 ml of this, so you don't want to put a little bit more, because balsamic vinegar will taste really, the citrusy for that. And put an organic strawberry puree, so you can buy in market too. There you go. Put like a 30 ml of this one, the strawberry puree, and then just makes the taste really better and looks good too. The Aperol, which is red in color, so just put like 10 ml of this one too. There you go. And then give a nice wet shake first without ice, just for the frothy taste. Get a spoonful of ice and be ready to do the wet shake. So do this. Now the glass should be chilled by now, so just throw the water, because it's a little bit water in here, and put a fresh ice in it. There you go. Just strain them out. Use a fine strainer and a normal strainer. And for the fruity taste, so what we do is like make a premix in this one using our all grape syrup here. So bromelated all grape syrup. So use this with a little bit of chickpea and a little bit of water in it. So it makes, and use the soda charger for this one. So the soda charger is, here you go. So this, use this soda charger, and then just give a nice pour in it. Make sure to keep it cold, because when it's cold it helps to hold the glass in it. So here you go. And just for the citrus taste, use the garnish as a strawberry and a lemon in it. And just put a fine mint spirit to it. And a straw to go with. Here you go. So that's your strawberry smack. For the people who like gin with a little bit of flavor and a strawberry taste. Thank you.